Raising Cane, and this is called Pepper Jack. Okay.
Is it still hot? Here, look at your eyes. Here, show. Come up. Look at your eyes.
I'm gonna die.
Was it that bad? Oh, you're crying. Oh my God, you're making me cry. Laugh is. Are you okay? Is it still hot? Here, have some of this. Drink it. Do you feel sick?
I think so.
Or are you just laughing?
I'm probably just laughing.
Are you sure? Does your stomach hurt?
No.
Alright, you were just laughing. Don't spit it out. Don't spit it out. Swallow it. Do you have to go to the bathroom?
No.
Are you sure you're okay?
That was hard.
You're scaring me. Are you okay?
Do I still get to play?
Yes.
Yeah.
Here, wipe up your plate. You're crazy. That's going on the internet.